Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to Google Cloud for compute engine deployments. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have a Google Cloud account. Navigate to the Google Cloud console. If you don't have a project, create a new one by clicking on the project drop-down at the top of the page. Select New Project and fill in the required details. Once your project is created, go to the I Am an Admin section in the left-hand menu. Click on Service Accounts. Here, you will create a service account for authentication. Click on Create Service Account. Provide a name and description for the service account. Set the permissions required for your compute engine usage. Once set, click Continue and then Done. You will now see your new service account listed. Click on the service account to manage keys. Select the Keys tab and then click Add Key. Choose JSON as the key type and download the file. Store the downloaded JSON key securely, as it contains sensitive credentials. Next, install the Google Cloud SDK if you haven't already. Follow the installation instructions specific to your operating system. Once installed, open your terminal or command prompt. Run the command cloud auth activate service account key file satface path_to_JSON key. Replace path_to_JSON key with the path to your downloaded JSON key. After successfully authenticating, you can verify your authentication using Cloud Auth List. Now, set your project for future commands by running cloud config set project _ID. Replace project_ID with the ID of your Google Cloud project. To deploy a compute engine instance, use the command cloud compute instances create instance_name. Replace instance_name with your desired name for the instance. Specify the zone and machine type as needed. Your instance will begin deploying, and you can monitor its progress in the console. Once the deployment is complete, you are ready to use your compute engine instance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.